Okay, we're going to be changing a percent to a decimal the way the state of Georgia wants us to learn it. So we've got the percent, 23%. And since all percents are based out of 100, we change the percent to a fraction first. Okay, and we do that simply by taking the percent and putting it over 100. So I've got 23%, which is the exact same as 23 hundredths. And since we know that the fraction bar means to divide, we take our fraction and divide. Okay, and it says remember that the numerator, the top number, always goes inside the division house. So I take my 23, it's the numerator, it goes on the inside. And my 100 goes on the outside. So I have the division problem 23 hundredths. So let's divide. How many times will 100 divide into 23? It won't. So I put a 0 up top. I need to add a decimal and a 0. And I make sure my decimal goes straight up into my answer right away so I don't forget about it. Now, 100 divides into 230 twice. And 2 times 100 is 200. So when I subtract, I get a difference of 30. What do I do next? I add one more 0, and I bring it down. How many times will 100 divide into 300? 3 times. 3 times 100 is 300. When I subtract, I get a difference of 0. So now I have a quotient of 0.23 or 23 hundredths. So I just ended up changing my percent, 23%, to a decimal of 23 hundredths.